Hi, Red. What are you doing up this late? Sweetheart? She woke up just minutes ago and crawled out of bed and was just, was bright, smiling girl. Just like a little sun woke up, and it's no way she can make her go back to sleep right now, right, Red? Sweetheart? No, don't just play with that. So, yeah, I guess she can just be up a little bit. What do you think, Ika? Ika? What do you think? Yeah? I'm gonna play with the dog? Sure? You're gonna play with this cat? Yeah. I guess sometimes it's okay to tap a little bit later. Yeah. Oh, and my best friend Ika. Yeah. She's still my best friend. Yeah? Isn't she real? Is she your best friend too? Yeah. Best friend to play with at least. Right, Ika? Yeah. And looks like I and Ro are going to meet Anna at IKEA tomorrow, and I think it's gonna be nice. Gonna shop some for her new apartment. Yeah. Maybe she fall asleep on the floor if we're lucky. Yeah. What do you think, Ika? Should we buy something for you? Do you need some new balls for your food? Yeah. I love this dog so much. She will turn 8 in February, and she's getting old. Yeah. You can see she's a little bit grey all above her ears, and a little bit grey around her nose. Or above her eyes, not her ears. Above her eyes, yeah. She's my old friend. Yeah. And my little Missy, night owl. That shirt is very suitable, the one she had earlier today. Oh, I guess it's just better to take some more coffee and deal with it. Nope, she's still awake. As you can see, it's close to midnight, but she just won't sleep. And when I tell you to sleep, you're just laughing. Yeah, you're just laughing. You're just laughing when I tell you to sleep. So yeah, but you are tired. You're really, really tired. So yeah, but we don't really have anything special to do tomorrow, so I guess it's okay to wait a little bit longer. Don't you think? You gonna sleep? Oh. So and that is just not in pain. And that's the most important thing. Right? Yeah. You're just awake. Yeah. What? What? Is it so fun to be awake? Is it funny?